Hi, this is Dr. Sabrina Falquier-Moncrain of Sensation Salud, and today I'm going to show you a really simple way to make breakfast really easy during the week and a way to really get all those marks of those nutritional marks. So today we're going to be doing overnight oats. So essentially you get oats, and what you want for this are the rolled oats rather than the steel cut oats. You want a mason jar, and you can use 5 small mason jars that then you can take out every day of the week. Here I'm doing a slightly bigger one that then I can share with more than one person in the household. You don't need a measuring cup for this. Essentially it's going to be 1 part oats. And so I'm just looking visually on this. And then I'm going to do 2 parts of the next. So here I'm going to use oat milk, but you can use any kind of milk. And I'm going to do 2 parts milk, but I could also do 1 part milk and 1 part plain yogurt. So I make sure that whenever you use plant-based milk that you are really shaking it before you use it. And we're just pouring that into the mason jar. And you can just eyeball this. So that looks about 2 parts milk, 1 part oats. And you're gonna close your mason jar and you're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. And that is it. I'm gonna put this in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow I can top it with berries. I can add a drizzle of maple syrup and just give it whatever flavors that you want, and that way you control the sugar, and it also gives you those nutritional marks that you really want. Have a great day.